Last time on Madcat Sailing, you heard the captain's orders. Now enjoy a smooth channel crossing. It's only Dunkirk. Come on.
We shall never surrender. And if, which I do not for a moment believe, this island or a large part of it were subjugated and starving, then our empire beyond the seas, armed and guarded by the
There's France.
would carry on the struggle
There's Ramsgate.
until in God's good time,
We have
the new world, with all its power and might, steps forth to the rescue and the liberation of the old.
I'll be right back. I'll let have this time. Get the French ready for when I get there. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Oui. Yeah. No, I am. It's got a bit. Alright, mate. How are you doing? From Manchester. How's it hanging? I'm not even halfway yet. See ya! As day turns into night and night turns into morning, has he made it? Oh, morning everybody. Sorry, let me remove the bags under my eyes. What a night that were. Got in about 1:30. We're expecting that. But we're here. Dunkirk. Get in. I wanted to do this last night. I've been saving this bottle. It looks a bit ragged now. Gotta celebrate on bow of the boat. Oh, chuffed to bits. Can't believe that I'm here. I'll come back to you in a second. I've got to say, I've always wanted to do this. This is what Formula 1 do. For me, this is a big achievement getting here. So I'm absolutely buzzing. I can't explain it. Saving this, as you've probably seen in the pictures. Here goes. Absolutely buzzing. Dunkirk. Yeah. The bit that I haven't thought about is gotta get back yet. What a journey. It's had its teething problems, learnt a few things. I got to Ramsgate, my outboard motor decided not to play more. Never either fast or super fast. Go back and forth, nearly take out the boats. The battery died on the way here. The backup battery tried to put on charge, my solar charger failed. And then just misjudged coming into Dunkirk and nearly coming into the industrial part of it. Filling up with big ships. That's why I was late getting here yesterday. Realised I had to go a bit further down the coast for it. Yeah, it snuck in last night about 1:30 in the morning. Oh, shattered. But I'm here now. Got to check in now. Go and check in. Let's have a good little shower, freshen up and see what Dunkirk is. I might even grab a beer. It's about due. Thanks for watching everyone, absolutely superb. I wish I could have took some on with me, but this was my trip and I'm glad I've done it. Learnt a lot of things and still a lot more to learn. Catch you all soon. Thanks for watching. Follow the Madventure next time. See if the captain gets his beer.